Welcome to Reset Sessions with Tiffany. I'm Tiffany, and I'm so glad you're here. It's Friday, and you made it. You showed up for 5 days straight. You navigated challenges. You accomplished things. And here you are. Today, we're celebrating what you've accomplished, what you've completed, releasing what you don't need to carry into the weekend, and stepping into that beautiful Friday freedom. Let's make this moment beautiful and intentional. Find a comfortable position and take a moment to really land here. The work week is behind you, the weekend stretches ahead, and right now, you're in that perfect in-between space. Close your eyes and let yourself feel the satisfaction of completion. You did it. You made it through another week of showing up, contributing, problem solving, connecting with others. Take a moment to appreciate yourself for all the ways you showed up this week. Maybe you handled a difficult conversation with grace. Maybe you completed a project you'd been working on. Maybe you simply kept going when things felt challenging. Don't minimize your accomplishments, both the big ones and the small ones. You answered emails, you made decisions, you supported others, you learned something new. You were present for your life, and that deserves recognition. Feel that sense of week complete, like closing a chapter in a book you've been writing all week long. This chapter is finished, and it was exactly what it needed to be. Breathe in this satisfaction, this sense of completion. You don't need to prove anything else this week. You've already done enough. You are enough. Now, from this place of completion, let's release everything you don't need to carry forward. The work week is over, and it's time to let go. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any work stress that's been sitting in your shoulders, your jaw, your mind. You don't need it anymore. Release that have-to energy, the deadlines, the pressure, the constant mental list making. This weekend, you get to move at your own pace. Make choices from joy rather than obligation. Let go of any perfectionism from this week. Any moments where you felt like you weren't doing enough or being enough. The week is complete as it is, and so are you. Feel yourself shedding your work identity like taking off a coat at the end of the day. Underneath, you're not just your job title or your responsibilities. You're a whole person with interests, relationships, dreams, and the freedom to explore them. Continuing with your breath. With each exhale, feel yourself becoming lighter, freer, and more yourself. The weight of the work week is lifting, leaving space for whatever wants to emerge this weekend. You are moving from I have to I get to. From productivity mode to presence mode. From work mode to life mode. Now, feel into this beautiful Friday freedom. The weekend is yours. 2 whole days to rest, play, connect, create, or simply be. What does freedom feel like in your body right now? Maybe it's a softening, an opening, a sense of expansion. Maybe it's excitement bubbling up. Or maybe it's the deep peace of knowing you can relax. Think about what you're most looking forward to this weekend. Maybe it's sleeping in. Maybe it's time with people you love. Maybe it's doing absolutely nothing. All of it is available to you now. Feel the luxury of unscheduled time, of making choices based on what feels good rather than what needs to be done. This is your time to remember who you are outside of work, outside of obligations. Set a gentle intention for your weekend. Not a long list of things to accomplish, but a feeling you want to cultivate. Maybe it's joy, maybe it's relaxation, maybe it's connection, maybe it's adventure. Whatever you choose, know that you've earned this freedom. You've completed your week with presence and effort, and now you get to receive the gift of time that's entirely your own. Take one final moment to appreciate this. You're not the same person who started this work week. You've grown, you've contributed, you've navigated challenges with grace. Place a hand on your heart and feel the aliveness there. The excitement for what's ahead, the satisfaction of what's behind you. Take a deep breath in, breathing in weekend freedom. And as you exhale, let any last bits of work week energy dissolve completely. Now when you're ready, no rush, open your eyes and step into your Friday. Not as someone escaping from work, but as someone who's completed one beautiful chapter and is ready to write the next. Your weekend starts now. Go make it exactly what you need it to be. Thank you so much for spending these few minutes with me. I'm honored to be a part of your weekly reset ritual, and I'll see you again soon. Until then, enjoy your beautiful weekend.